Hi guys, okay, here is one more grocery haul right before the big snowstorm. This is all the stuff I got. It was $200. I got a lot of pantry items. I got Chloe another bag of her dry food, paper towels, and a bunch of bottles of water. I got a lot of things for my pantry, like I said. Got some crackers, a lot of shelf stable items, wheat thins. I got the Cheerios back there. I got mashed potatoes, boxed mashed potatoes, cornbread, like easy, simple meals, just in case we run out of electricity. This is pretty simple. You make it with a little bit of water. For fruit, I got pears, apples, and avocados. I got some more raspberries. They were on sale. And I got carrots. I was completely out of carrots. I got some more protein and granola bars. I got a big box of granola bars. Like I said, these are just in case foods for the pantry. Canned foods, pinto beans. Another box of protein bars. I got some corn. Um, yeah, just stocking up on these non-perishables because you definitely do not want to buy frozen items in case you run out of electricity. Then the stuff is frozen, so these things are good out of the can. I was out of trash bags. I got these mini trash bags. I got some tomato sauce there, oatmeal, those fruit cups. I was running low on coffee. I got these applesauce packs. Um, got some Progresso soup, more trash bags. I got batteries. I was completely out of AA batteries. I got Chloe some more food, and I got sliced bread and Italian bread, and I got chicken breast. That is it. I literally just went out to stock up on pantry items. I'm so glad I did. I feel so much better having all these canned products just in case. And batteries just in case. Because I was completely out of the AA. I actually went back out later that day. This was on Friday. I didn't mention it was on Friday. Chloe was completely out of cat litter. So I picked up cat litter. I picked up more waters. I picked up more bread. And I got bananas. Because I ran out of bananas and I ate my bread.